In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove the background of a video using Canva. Okay, so it's a new feature that's been rolled out in Canva, and once you are in your Canva account, you can just go ahead and come to videos. For example, you can just come over, you can see it over here. Canva have rolled out a number of features like the magic animate, premium animation, video background remover, magic media, video beat sync, captions, popular music, and so on. So they have rolled out all of these features. So let's say we're going to go with the background music, background video background remover. So you can go ahead and upload any video of your choice that you have that you actually are interested in removing the background. You can upload it directly from here, or you can upload from available videos that you have within Canva. So let's say I have this video of this and this small animation, and I want to remove the background. It's already a green background, but I want to remove it. So once I click on it, it is going to go ahead and do the needful for me. Alright, so right now you can see the background has been removed. You can go ahead and check, and you can see the background has been removed. It was green before, now it's plain. And if you want to have it to look much better, then you can change the background color of this. You can do that by importing any image, or you can click and just change the background. So let's say we add a background. Let's go to uploads. For example, we'll upload something, or we'll check from my uploads and try to put in a background that can replicate or replace what we have at the moment. Okay, so let's go ahead and add in this this image. Okay, and let's go ahead and size it to fill up all the places. And then we can send this to back. We can right click and say send to back, or come to we can come over to position, and then come to layers, and we can take this to the back. Okay, so once we are here, we can take this to the back. Okay, so you can take this to the back, and you can see it over here. Okay, so our guy can now move from one place to another. You can see very colorful. That green color has gone, and if you try to play it.
Welcome to Quizmash. Test your knowledge with fun, educational, and hilarious.
So that's fantastic. And once you're done, you can come over here and click, and you can on your own download this MP4. course, you can just go ahead and click on download to download it. So this concludes this simple tutorial about how to remove the background of a video in Canva. If you found this helpful, please leave a like.